Hey everyone, it's Stephen Allison with AA Digital Media. And today we're going to talk about how to give someone access to your Google Ads account. It's a pretty straightforward process, but we'll definitely walk you through it step by step. So simple enough. Once you're on, let's go in to Google Ads. We're gonna click on Google Ads. We're gonna go down to the link. And once again, if you've already set this up before, if you've already signed in, usually when you click sign in, it's going to take you directly to your Google Ads account. So once this loads, it's like it's taking a couple seconds to load. So we'll go to the page that I've already have loaded up. Simply enough, we're going to click on the top of the page. We're going to go to Tools and Settings. We're going to go to Access and Security. And what you're going to do here is you're going to click on the plus button. And you're going to invite others. As you can read the top, you're going to enter the email of the person that you want to have accessibility to your account. And one of the main features here is if you read this highlighted section, it says after your email invitation is accepted, they'll have access to this account. If they do not have a Google account, they'll need to create one. So please keep in mind that you must have a Google account to be able to access the Google Ads. From there, you type in the person's email address, and then you can give them whatever type of accessibility to your site that you want to give to them, whether it's email only, billing, read only, standard, or administrative rights. Once you have that information already inputted, click send invitation, and that individual will receive an invite and will have access to your Google Ads account.